Have you ever stopped and wondered how something as small as a daily coffee could actually cost you six figures over your lifetime? It sounds ridiculous at first. I mean, what difference could $5 a day really make? But by the end of this video, you're going to see how those tiny purchases quietly drain your wealth. Or, if you flip the script, how they could turn into $100,000 or more. Once you see the math, you'll never look at money the same way again. Welcome back to Finally Making Sense, the channel where we break down money myths and make wealth simple. If you're ready to stop letting small habits sabotage your future, this is going to be an eye-opener. Here's the real kicker. This isn't just about coffee, fast food, or little treats. This is about mindset. The way you treat $5 tells me everything I need to know about how you'll treat $5,000 or even $500,000. Let's break it down. Your financial journey is just beginning, and it starts with the conscious choices you make today. Choose wisely, invest in your future, and transform those daily routines into stepping stones towards lasting wealth. Dumb money isn't about being foolish. It's about being unaware. It's swiping your card without thinking, buying small things daily because they feel harmless. $5 here, $10 there, a streaming subscription you don't even use anymore. On their own, none of these destroy you. But when they stack up every single day, they quietly eat away at your ability to build wealth. Here's what most people don't realize. Dumb money spending doesn't just cost you the money in the moment. It costs you the future growth that money could have created. That's the silent killer, because every dollar not invested is a dollar that never compounds. Imagine spending $5 every single day on something forgettable. That's $150 a month. Over a year, $1,800 gone. But what if that same money had been invested instead? That's where the real story begins. Smart money doesn't mean never spending on fun things. It means being intentional. It means asking yourself, do I value this today more than what it could grow into tomorrow? And if the answer is no, you redirect it. Now let's go back to that $5 a day example. Instead of spending it, you put it into an index fund that averages around 8% a year. Do that for 30 years, and that harmless $5 a day snowballs into over $200,000. Yes, you heard that right. Not $20,000. Over $200,000. And if you bump that to $10 a day, you're looking at nearly $500,000. This is why the wealthy say it's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. This is where compound interest becomes your superpower. Think of it like planting a tree. In the beginning, it's just a tiny seed, nothing impressive. But give it time, sunlight, and water, and it grows into something massive. The same is true with your money. At first, investing $150 a month feels pointless. After a year, maybe you've got a couple thousand. But as the years pile up, the growth isn't linear. It's exponential. By year 20, you're shocked at how fast it multiplies. By year 30, you're staring at that six-figure balance that started with nothing more than a decision to be smart with $5. So here's the question you should be asking yourself right now. How many years are you willing to trade your financial freedom for a latte? Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but $5 won't change my life today, and I want to enjoy my life while I'm young. I hear you. And here's the truth. You should enjoy your life. But the problem isn't the $5 itself. It's the pattern. Because if you treat every small purchase like it doesn't matter, you'll treat big purchases the same way. Others say, well, investing is risky. What if the market crashes? That's fair, but history shows us that the market, over the long haul, always trends upward. Even with crashes, recessions, and uncertainty, the S&P 500 has averaged about 8% annually over nearly a century. That's not a gamble. That's math working in your favor. And finally, the classic line, I don't make enough money to save. But let's be real. If you can afford Netflix, DoorDash, or daily coffee, you can afford to pay yourself first. The truth is, Most people don't have an income problem. They have a spending awareness problem. So how do you actually turn this knowledge into action? Here's the practical playbook. First, track your spending for just 1 week. Don't judge yourself, just write it all down. You'll be shocked by how much of it you don't even remember buying. Second, identify one daily habit that you can cut or reduce. Maybe it's fast food. Maybe it's bottled water. Maybe it's that vending machine snack at work. Take that $5 and instead of spending it, set up an automatic transfer into an investment account. Third, keep it consistent. The power doesn't come from 1 week of saving, it comes from decades of consistency. Just like brushing your teeth doesn't make a difference once, but it changes your life if you do it every day. Saving works the same way. And here's the best part. This doesn't mean you never get coffee again. It means you choose the days you do instead of letting it be automatic. Smart spending is about control, not deprivation. So let's bring it all together. Dumb money says, it's just $5, it doesn't matter. Smart money says, every $5 has the potential to grow into something much bigger. Over 30 years, that's the difference between nothing and a six-figure account. So the next time you're standing in line, card in hand, about to swipe for something you won't even remember tomorrow, ask yourself, is this worth $100,000? Because that's the real cost. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button so more people can see how powerful small decisions really are. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Finally Making Sense, where we break down money in ways schools never taught us. Tell me in the comments, what's one small expense you're willing to redirect starting today? Is it coffee, fast food, or maybe those forgotten subscriptions? How about that $5 coffee you buy every day? What about that snack at the office you think you need at 3 o'clock? And don't stop here. If you're serious about growing wealth, your next step is to watch my video on Can Compound Interest Really Make You Wealthy? That video will show you how compound interest really works. You'll be amazed by what you find out. Remember this, dumb money spends today and regrets tomorrow. Smart money plants seeds today and enjoys shade for a lifetime. The choice is yours.